Tripod. Oh no, the microphone, of course. This switched on. Okay, should be working. Of course, and the camera's battery is almost gone. Holly. Why? Did I forget the light? Of course, I forgot the light. No, you want to do the things properly and then you forget everything, or all the time something is missing. Of course, because my wife went here, changed the plug. Aha! Welcome! Hello everybody, Andrea here, and welcome to the Red Fiberglass. So if this is the first time we met, and probably it is because I've seen from my analytics, I mean, I have like 300 subscribers today, and the 92% of the viewers are people not subscribed. So that's actually the first time we see each other. So welcome here, my name is Andrea, I'm Italian, and I'm here tonight to show you a little technique with Adobe Premiere Pro to blur people's faces, to blur license plates of cars, to blur whatever you want. You want to blur your cat, you can blur your cat. You want to blur your wife's face, you can do that. If you want to blur kids in case someone, I don't know, a customer is not going to be happy you're having kids there, or the client wants a particular part of the scene to be blurred, whatever. I mean, or simply you want to learn something new, this is the place, guys. Tonight, together, I promise. So we are here in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've imported a clip to use as an example. So for the sake of the example, we are gonna blur this guy's face that is talking at the microphone in the Parliament Square. You can blur, as I said already, whatever you like, your mom, your sister, someone else, a stranger, whatever you want. To make this thing work, get the line, the blue line at the beginning of your clip. Why? Because then we want to track the guy's face and we need a starting point. So the starting point is where the face of the guy first appears. So that's why we need to put the blue line at the very beginning of the clip. Then we need to apply an effect. So that's why it's very easy in Premiere, because the effect is called Gaussian blur. To find it, we need to click on the effect tab here up in our menu, main menu. On the search bar, we type Gaussian blur, or Gaussian, or Gaussia, or Gauss. And when you find Gaussian blur, simply drag the element into your clip. Boom. Now, on the left, you have the effect controls tab. If you don't see it, I can wait a little bit so that you can find it, so please find it. Did you find it? If you don't find it, it's fine, you can pause the video, you can find it, and then we can go back. Okay, let's go. Okay, so at the moment we don't really care about motion, opacity, time remapping. That's absolutely fine as they are. We need just to work on Gaussian blur. So what we have to do now is we don't blur the entire frame, so the effect does that, blur everything that you want, so the entire frame, if you don't say anything. We just want to blur the guy's face. It's an oval, so we need to click on the mask, create ellipse mask, and let's shape our ellipse around the guy's face. I'm sorry, man, if I'm using you as an example, but I wasn't able to find another clip quickly. Okay. Now that we have his face surrounded by the ellipse, of course, in a case of car plate, license plate, you're gonna use the rectangular mask or the pen tool in case you need something more elaborated. But anyway, so the only two voices that we really need, the only two items we're gonna take care of now are mask feather, that is now at 10 value, and blurriness, that is now at 0, of course. You see, the clip is completely clear. So let's increase first the blurriness. So you click and drag up to the point that you are happy with the level of blurriness. So in my case, I'm fine with 80, absolutely, I don't mind, it's fine, it's perfect. And you can regulate the feather, just like here, clicking on the mask feather item, you can increase or decrease the feather. Usually when you blur something, I mean, you don't want to have a lot of feather around the circle, so I don't know, 10 to 18 is fine. You can even drag this little handle here and it regulates the feather also from here on a visual way, not just with a value, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, now, so we have the mask. His face at the first frame is completely blurred and surrounded by the ellipse. Good. Now we need to tell to the software, hey software, please track this guy's face with the blur. And to do that, simply we need to click this track selected mask forward. Let's wait the software to do that, to process that command that we just gave it. And here we are. So now the software, you see that the blue line is at the end of the clip. Now let's try to play back. Okay, you see the guy's face is a little imperfect, there is a little bit, the glasses are out a little bit. So to do that is fine. What you can do if you're not really happy with the tracking, simply frame by frame, you can adjust a little bit frame by frame. Okay, simply click one ahead and then you regulate again the circle, one more and you regulate. Of course, if you have a long clip, it's gonna take ages. But if the clip is not very long, you're gonna take just a few seconds and you just fix the shape of the ellipse in the way you want. Okay, that's it. Easy. Now, it is a rounded circular stuff, so it is easier to adjust, but as I said already, you can apply this technique to everything, anything that you want, and yeah, it is quite precise, the software, so thank you Premiere Pro, good job! And that's it guys, I mean, that's all for tonight. I hope that it was clear and that you learned something out of it. If you have any question, doubt, concern, request, you just want to say hello, whatever, don't hesitate. There is the comment box down below. Write down a comment and let me know what you think, if you have issues, if I can help in any way. We are just 300 people at the moment subscribed to the channel, so we're quite a few people and nobody write comments usually. So if you want to do that, I will answer for sure, I promise. I mean, I'm not that busy in YouTube at the moment, so I can manage some comments. Okay, if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, don't hesitate, it's there, it's free, you can do that. If you don't want, I mean, it's your life, you can do whatever you like. Okay, what I care is just that I was helpful in some way and that you had a good time staying with me tonight. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and I will see you the next time. All right, take care guys, cheers. Oh, there is the cap. I cannot even go black. Holy shite. Yeah, there is the cap, the lens cap. I forgot. That's stupid myself. I forgot. Yeah, anyway, it's blocked. I cannot even remove it. See you next time. Cheers.